Okay, so I'm going to try to do this where I show you what to press on the calculator to get the to find the intersection point of the graph. Now on this one, the idea is you need to be in a graphs and geometry page, so you need to make sure you have that set up. And then once you do, notice how you can see here there's an F1. I know there's a bit of a glare, kind of just go with that. But with that, you just go ahead and type in your first equation, and in this case, for me, that's going to be 4.7, and then of course the x plus 2.1 plus 2.1. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and press down to go to F2. See there, the new line's already up. And then for the other one, I'm going to have 1.6 x minus 5.4. Minus 5.4. Okay, and then you can press enter, or you can press exit, whatever. Now in this case, this one you can see I don't see the intersection point, so that's actually a good thing, but I can tell they're going to intersect. So what I would recommend there is when that happens, go ahead and press menu and go to Windows Zoom, and then just do something like Zoom Fit, because that should allow you to see the intersection points. I don't care how it looks. The main point is there that you're trying to see the intersection point. Okay, then let's go to menu. And again, what we're looking for is the intersection point. You notice there's a choice here in the menu that says points and lines, and there it has intersection point, and you can move your cursor. There you're telling it, okay, go ahead with graph 1 and graph 2. Let me do that better. Okay, maybe. There we go. And you can see there you have now the intersection point. Negative 2.42 and negative 9.27. Works great. Okay, so now here's the neat part. If you press Control G for the graph, the menu equation enter comes back up. All you have to do from here is just change the F1 and F2. So like I'm looking at another one that says negative 4.1x, negative 4.1x minus 5.3 minus 5.3, and I'll go up to F1, change F1, delete, 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 delete. Notice that there, it's still got the intersection point. It's changing it based as you change the numbers. Okay, and here we're going to have 6.9x plus 12.4. Plus 12.4. Press enter, and it's already got the intersection points of negative 1.6 and 1.3. So once you programmed it in, and as long as you can bring up the equation editor, which is Control G, and change F1 and F2, it will always give you the intersection points of F1 and F2. So here I've shown you a few things that help you do this to remember for graphing. So go ahead and keep that in mind, and if you do have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much.